Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for mechanics, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts alike, the NoCry heavy-duty telescoping inspection mirror. Now, if you're tired of struggling to see into tight spaces, fret no more. This isn't just any inspection mirror. It's the best long-handled mirror available, and I'm about to show you why. First off, let's talk about visibility. With a 3.23-inch round mirror, that's up to 50% larger than your average inspection mirror. You'll never miss a detail again, even in the most cramped environments. But wait, there's more. This mirror isn't just big, it's extendable too. With a stainless steel body that extends up to 30 inches, you can reach even the most hard-to-reach areas with ease. Comfort is key when you're working on delicate tasks, and that's why the NoCry inspection mirror features a soft, non-slip handle. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to hours of comfortable use. Now, let's talk flexibility. Thanks to its all-angle ball joint, this mirror offers a complete 360-degree view, allowing you to position it at any angle for maximum visibility. And check this out. It even comes with a 2-in-1 storage pouch made of special microfiber material. Not only does it protect your mirror from dust and scratches, but it also doubles as a cleaning cloth. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a home inspector, or just a DIY enthusiast tackling weekend projects, the NoCry heavy-duty telescoping inspection mirror is the ultimate tool for the job. So why settle for anything less? Head over to the link in the description to get your hands on the best long-handled mirror on the market today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy inspecting!